How to fix if NFC is not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, scroll down and click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search NFC from here. So enable NFC button. Scroll down. You will see NFC is here. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it not solved, so restart device. Click power button and volume up button, and you will see restart device. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on additional settings. Scroll down and click on developer option. Scroll down and search media from here and click on media DRM settings. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software latest, go back to home screen. Refresh phone. You will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, scroll down and click on reset settings and click on reset setting. Enter your phone pin, click on OK, and after click on OK, your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if NFC is not working on. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.